Hey guys, don't mind how everything looks. I'll put those on. No, doesn't save my hair anyway. That's not the point. I just got my RTX. I know I said I would order the 3060 Ti, but this came in stock. It wasn't. The price didn't have a big difference, so I took this one, and well, I ordered that also, cause my third screen that's kind of vertical. The vertical screen that I have is an old one, so I need a DVI, a display to DVI. I need that. I'm so excited to have this. I don't know what kind of video I'll make. Maybe I'll make like games how they run right now, and then I need to change my OBS option so it will run from the graphics card, not from only my CPU, and show you how it runs and the FPS, the difference. I don't know, I'm not making it too scientific and everything, that's not my style, but I do like... Thank you. I do like some PC tech and stuff, so I'm not saying that you should listen to me or something, but you know, I'm having fun here. I'm gonna make something that's a little bit different than my usual videos, because I don't get usually video cards every day. You should know about it. My last video card is the 1070. This is 3070. So how many years is it? 4 or 5? I didn't get an upgrade? Yeah, something like that. So the packaging is very strange. It's just in this plastic, no anti-static somethings, no anti-static somethings. We have like a book here. Shoo, go away. I'll put it under the screen. Here we go. I don't know how it will look again. I cannot do this in my living room right now because it's messed up. There's a lot of things to clean there right now. You know, New Year and stuff. Kind of messy. Being kind of lazy, not doing a lot of things around the house. Here we go. Oh yes. Now this is fine. I have exactly one more spot on my 750 watt power supply, and I have exactly the cable. This is one of the uglier ones that the two are separate. Am I even doing this wrong? Right? No, I'm doing this wrong. Here you go. They're separate. It will be ugly. You have this one, and then this will hang around, but it's cool. I would overclock it, of course, because you can. Okay, I'm messing this up as hell. Let's do the pili pil. Oh, I tore it already. Very strange. Very strange. Using my gameplay. Oh shit, it's kind of bended here. Using my... Should it be like that? I don't think it should. It's kind of bended. This part. I don't really... Oh no, maybe it should, because it's bended over here also, those two. You cannot see this one, but this one you can see that it's bended. Maybe it should be like this. I don't know. Doesn't really matter, it's not the graphics card, that's only the thing that holds it, the bracket, whatever. Now compared to my 3070, 1070, the Iris one, this is a beefy one. How do I remove this? There is a plastic here that I cannot remove. What the hell? Nails, I need nails. Oh, here we go. Yes, really nice. First I'm getting a graphics card with a backplate, so that's cool. easier to clean, looks beautiful. And of course this we don't need. Of course we'll connect it, not like the Anime Man will not leave a graphics card that's not connected to the PC and think we run it like it should, and essentially using a PC without a graphics card. I don't know how he managed to do that. Otherwise he's a cool guy, don't have anything against him. So I started watching Trash Taste recently. Subscribe to his channel also. Maybe you should also. I don't know how did I get to that topic from a freaking unboxing of a graphics card. Well, it kind of makes sense. Never mind. So essentially this is a heatsink, all of this. And as far as I know, the circuit stops here. So this is only heatsink. It's kind of strange. It is kind of like the original that Nvidia created. Kind of a shorter. No, wait a second. You can see that it. Oh no, yeah. It has holes in it. It is until here, but as far as you can see, it has holes here. So not the same. Not the same. The original has like a V option, a V part here that's missing. Kind of. Oh. All the tech YouTubers and everything got a version with clown lips here, like this part would be red. I didn't mind it, my setup anyway is red, like you have red here anyway, is red and black, so I don't mind that, it is cool, I like it. So this is the graphics card, I'll be putting it in soon-ish into my PC, we'll see how it goes. And I'll need to record some stuff. I have a mess on my desktop also, you can see the switch here. I am about to record some videos right now, so kind of need to do some stuff. So yeah, I guess I'll continue with this video after I record the other ones, but you'll see it as a whole video. See you in a second. Okay. So I was thinking about what game should I try. Of course I would try Cyberpunk, but I don't want to continue or start from the beginning, because the beginning has not a lot of freedom. Continue because I'm doing a series on my channel, so we'll play Doom. This is not... okay, why is my health that low? This is not... like the beginning, this is a random mission. Of course, wait a second. I got it. This is where we go. That's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Sorry. I don't remember that being a thing. Here we go. No, closer. Ow, ow. Yes. This doesn't look like Nightmare. Wait a second, what the hell? Settings? Video? No. Video? Nightmare, yeah. Okay. How do I do this thing? Here we go. Oh yeah, boy. Where are you? Oh. It's kind of lagging because of the recording. I remember playing this game on Nightmare easily.
The Hellpriest is somewhere in this facility. I cannot pinpoint his exact location at this time.
Alright. I'll not be doing the whole mission. I think this is... oh, maybe not. Okay, let's go over here, do that. Of course, I'll need to change my recording, whatever.
Is my time at an end?
Recording settings.
Strong enough to survive this cursed city.
What are you doing? Stop it! I have this, you know? Haha.
The Slayer has arrived. All mortally challenged personnel, please be advised.
Mortally challenged. No, F you, bruh. Here we go. Oh, boy! Thank you. Stop. Okay, we'll end it here. Exit, yeah. See you guys in a second when I'll use my new graphics card. Okay, doing this again. I don't think I'll show anything from the previous recording. I had a lot of problems with arranging my OBS to run good through a GPU with the NV something blah 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 and not the 2.6 something blah blah blah. You know what I'm talking about. So it will run with a little bit of a help from the graphics card. Apparently I fixed it. I had my OBS running, oh shit, running on high priority, and now it's a normal, so it should be a little bit better. The game is screaming in my ears. I'll change that in the end product thingy.
I cannot pinpoint its exact location at this time.
I'm trying to check if the OBS voice thingy, if the RTX voice thingy works. So if you hear a little bit of the keyboard, that's why. I decided if I already have like a new graphics card, I should check it all the way and see if all the RTX stuff really do anything. Well, I'm lying on this one because I'm not checking the mode, the RTX mode for Doom, because I don't have time to do that thing.
Is my time
Put in mods and stuff and blah blah blah. Who has time for that?
enough to survive this cursed city?
No, destroy! Oh, hey. You're welcome.
The Slayer has arrived. All mortally challenged personnel, please be advised.
Yeah, whatever, bro. What do I do with this? Okay, it works. Yeah. Boy, okay, that was a huge dip in frame rate. What the hell? By the way, if you have some trouble with recording and playing a game, you always can activate VSync. Let me show you. There was it. Could I? Yeah, let's do that. Why not? VSync, triple buffering, whatever. Yes. Did it change it? It didn't change anything, did it? It didn't change nothing. Here we go, triple buffering. It will keep the FPS according to our screen, which is 60 Hz on my side. Thank you. And the game runs a lot smoother. Because all the additional FPS it's trying to push into the game. Say it saves for the OBS program. And everything runs smoothly-ish. Come on. Isn't there like a power-up somewhere here? Okay. It's still alive. Maybe not. Somebody is still here somewhere. Oh, hey dude. Oh, you're trying to be sneaky. Here you go. Now it should be okay. Nope. That's what I meant to do. Here we go. So, yes, it is much better now with 3070 instead of a 1070. But there are still games that you will struggle to run at 60 FPS even. I'm running a 1080 screen HD. It's not 4K, it's not 2K, it's not nothing in between. It's simple HD, 60 Hz. Yes, I know I need an upgrade for my screen. And I checked a little bit in Cyberpunk. I couldn't check on my save because I'm doing a Let's Play on the channel. So I didn't even check like high action sequences, like real brawls and everything when you shoot at 10,000 dudes at the same time. I started a new game, played a little bit from the beginning, the first fight and stuff like that. And if I go with like RTX on the highest quality, everything on the highest quality, it runs about 45 FPS. If I remove RTX and run it on the highest quality without RTX, it goes about 60 FPS, but it doesn't hit higher numbers. So if you have a higher refresh rate screen, either go for go for 3090 if you have the money. 3070, 3080 isn't a huge difference, like 10 FPS. Okay. Does it really change anything? Not a lot. Maybe in like 3-4 years it will change something when my graphics card will have like 50 FPS on the game and the 3080 will have 60 FPS. That's cool. Okay, good for you. But essential games like this, like Doom, like Call of Duty, the twitchy FPS games, Overwatch runs on very high FPS for me, and I pushed it as hard as I can. And yes, you can push the game very hard, and it records good. I need to like limit it for 100 FPS, so my recording runs cool, but I can push more than 100 FPS, much more, about 160 or something like that. And yeah, I'm really glad I bought it. The only sad thing right now, I don't have a lot of new games to check with this new graphics card. Apparently there's not that much there's not a lot of RTX games. That's very disappointing. The old Minecraft RTX that they showed is like staged worlds that you can walk through. You cannot start your own game with real RTX right now because it's still in beta apparently. But I have Control. I've never played Control, so nope. Doom, essentially this is a mod. You don't have a real RTX here. You have a mod that does RTX. There's Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk is the only game that comes to mind that has RTX. Ghost Runner, I heard has RTX, but the game looks good enough without it also. I don't know. Is RTX even a thing? Who knows? A lot of games don't have it. I believe the RTX voice isn't as good as people say also. We'll see. If you hear my keyboard in the video, it doesn't work. That means the RTX voice is bullcrap. And yeah, we'll see how it works. My quality of videos should be a little bit better now. And see you guys on the next one. I'll have more unboxings. I'm still waiting for that figure that should come any day now. I know I said it since November, but it should come anyway, any day now. I don't know, it's just, you know, the virus and stuff get delayed. And more gameplay is coming, that's for sure. And other stuff that I'm still working on, I cannot say a lot about them because that will be a spoiler. And I want you to be surprised, guys, when you see the videos. See you on the next one. Don't forget to push the bell and subscribe and stuff like that. And watch the videos, maybe. Come on. For almost 400 subscribers and I get like barely 30 views on the video. Bruh. Unbelievable. You should be ashamed. See you on the next one, guys. Bye. Guys, can you shut the fuck up? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? I don't think you can. Apparently it works. Apparently the RTX voice works. I just needed to tweak something on my OBS. You need to add a monitoring thingy in my jigger, and like add the RTX voice to the monitoring in the audio section, and everything is good. So nice job, NVIDIA. Nice job. I can use my mechanical keyboard now.